In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Shindo Life on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access Shindo Life and play using a controller. So, first, open Roblox on any platform. You will notice that I am doing this process on PC, however, it is going to be exactly the same on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Once you open Roblox, look for Shindo Live. So using the search function, look for the experience, and it should be the first one to pop up. So once you find Shindo Live, select it and go ahead and join. If you are using a controller, all of the buttons and the controls will be adjusted automatically. So as soon as you join, you will be able to interact with the menus in a different way that you would with a keyboard and mouse. Keep in mind that some actions might be limited, but for the most part, you will still be able to play. So, to navigate through the menus, you will have to press the Options or Share button to highlight options on the screen, so then you can choose between game, modes, edit, and then play, and as long as you choose it with the Select or Option or Share button, you will be able to highlight these settings and choose them appropriately. Once you load into the world, the buttons will also going to start working, so you will be able to move around using the left joystick and move your camera with the right joystick. You will be able to jump and do other actions related to your skills, your ability, and your character using the other buttons. So as you can see, you can press B, X, and all sorts of actions to open commands, and you will be able to walk around, run using the left joystick, and so on. You can use the bumpers to initiate different combos and commands, and for the most part, it is going to be playable. Keep in mind that the experience is going to be more limited than if you are on something like a keyboard and mouse combo, but it is still going to work. So you can see how it works, join, and experience using a keyboard and mouse or a controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Shindo Life on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.